Hello students, today in the class we are discussing about the chapter derivatives. Okay, from this chapter for KCET you will get 3 to 6 questions every year. Okay, either sometimes they will ask 3 questions, sometimes they will ask 4 questions, maximum 6 questions they have asked. Okay, so we can expect the questions from this chapter is from 3 to 6 questions you can expect from this chapter. Okay, now we will discuss some questions from these chapters only. These questions are previously asked questions only. Okay. Now see the first question. If y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus up to so on infinity, then they are asking what is dy by dx. Derivative of this function is what they are asking. Okay. Now if you are going to differentiate this by taking root x, differentiation is what? Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Like that way if you went means, okay, it is a lengthy procedure. Better we should solve like this way. Let's take y is equal to root of, keep the sin x as it is. Okay, whatever the next terms are there, no, these are same like y is equal to only. Okay, so root of sin x plus again root of sin x up to so on is there. Okay, this is what actually this is again y only. Okay, so substitute next terms, whatever the terms are there, that is we are going to take as a y. Okay, and squaring on both sides, y square is equal to what you will get sin x plus y, and bringing this y to this side and simplifying and differentiating, you will get the answer. Okay, cos x divided by 2y minus 1. But okay, this is a one method. One more shortcut method is there to get this type of examples, when here in between the functions plus sign is there, and another one is that if they are asking sin x into root of sin x into root of sin x. Okay, this type of questions, again one more shortcut method is there. Okay, both methods I will explain here. This is generally what we are taking differentiation step by step. This is okay. Now from this y square is equal to sin x plus y, you got differentiate. Now y square differentiation is 2y into y dash is equal to sin x differentiation is cos x plus y differentiation is y dash. Okay, here also y dash is there, here also y dash is there. By taking y dash common, what you will get? 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. Therefore this implies y dash is equal to what? Cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, this is by taking generally dy by dx differentiation method. If you are going to take this question only by the method of shortcut method, okay, how to get this one means dy by dx is equal to directly f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, you can use this formula. Otherwise it is a shortcut method. See here f of x is what? Y is equal to root of sin x plus it is given. Let us take sin x as f of x. Okay, sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. Okay, means f dash of x is what? Cos x divided by 2y minus 1, that is already fixed it is. Okay, in case of sin x, if they are taken tan x, let's take one example, root of tan x plus root of tan x plus up to so on, like this, say infinity is there, and they are asking to find dy by dx means same. F of x is what here? Tan x. Okay, tan x differentiation is what? Sec square x divided by 2y minus 1 is the answer. Like this way you can apply this shortcut method to this type of example. Okay, now which option is right option? Option 3 is the right answer, cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, next we will go to next question. Now see this question, the derivative of tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x with respect to tan inverse x. Okay, with respect to tan inverse x they are asking, not with respect to x. Okay, listen carefully here. Now you know in the theory class root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x is there. Okay, substitution is what here? Tan x. Okay, let's take this as y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x is there. Okay, by substituting the x as what? X is equal to tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Root of sec theta is what? Tan inverse of, okay, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Square root of sec square theta is sec theta. Sec theta minus 1 divided by x is what? Tan theta. Okay, substitution we have taken x as what? Tan theta. By taking this one here, tan inverse of sec theta is what? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus 1 is what? By taking LCM, 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta you will get. Again here tan theta is what? Sin theta by sin theta. In the denominator cos theta gets cancelled. What remains here? Sin theta. Some steps I am going to take directly. Okay. Just to understand here, x substitution what we are taking directly? Tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Root of sec square theta is sec theta minus 1 divided by x is what? Substitution tan theta we have taken. Then again sec theta is 1 by cos theta. By taking LCM and all you will get 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. Now here y is equal to what we got? Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. Formula is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. Half angle formula. 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta is what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 sin theta, 1 terms gets cancelled. Okay, what remains? Here you will get tan theta by 2. Why? Because in the numerator you will get 1 sin theta by 2, in the denominator cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta by 2. Theta is what? By back substitution tan inverse x divided by 2. They are asking, just we got y is equal to, but differentiation dy by dx with respect to tan inverse x they are asking. With respect to tan inverse x means here tan inverse x differentiation is 1. Why? Because while differentiating with respect to x we are differentiating means differentiation of x what we will write? 1 no. Like that here dy by dx is equal to, okay, what you will get? 1 by 2. Which option is right? Option B, that is option 2 is the right answer, that is 1 by 2. Is it clear? Okay, we will go to next question. Now see here, if f of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus log x whole square divided by 1 plus cos log x whole square, then f dash of e they are asking, not f dash of x. Okay, first to find f dash of e you should know about what is f dash of x. Then in the place of x if you have substituted e, then you will get directly f dash of e is what? Okay, now f of x is equal to cos inverse of, okay, 1 minus log x whole square divided by 1 plus log x whole square is there. Okay, just think that cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square formula is what? In the place of x they have taken log x. Okay, now cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square is formula for what it is? Okay, cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. Okay, 2 tan inverse x. Okay, now using that formula 2 tan inverse I will write. In the place of this x what they have taken? Log x they have taken. Okay, so just substitute here in the place of x as what? Log x. Okay, 2 tan inverse log x you got. This is what? F of x, but they are interested to asking that f dash of e is what? So differentiate this one. F dash of x is equal to what you will get? Keeping 2 as it is, tan inverse x differentiation is what? Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x square into log x differentiation is, what happened? 1 minute. Huh? Sorry, one more time we will discuss this one. Okay, sorry, yes, we got. Okay, into log x differentiation is what? 1 by x. Okay, now this is equal to f dash of x is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus log x whole square into x. Okay, this is what actually f dash of x. We want f dash of e. In the place of x substitute just e, you will get the answer. Okay, 2 divided by x is what? E. Log x is what? Log e. Log e value is what? 1. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 that is 2. 2 gets cancelled. What you will get here? 2 you will get. After cancelling this one, answer you will get 1 by E. Is it clear? Now see which option is the right answer. 1 by E, first option is the right answer. Is it clear? Now we will go to next question. Y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x is given. Then d square y by dx square is what? Second derivative of the given question is what they are asking. Let's take the given question. Y is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Okay, tan inverse of, first see 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x formula is what? Okay, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x is tan square x by 2. Okay, so root of tan square x by 2 is what? Tan x by 2. What you will get here? X by 2. Okay, now differentiation, this they are asking. Differentiation of y is equal to x by 2, dy by dx is equal to what you will get? 1 by 2. This implies second derivative they are asking. Differentiation of again d square y by dx square is equal to what you will get? 0. Is it clear? So third option is the right answer. First you should see the formula, which formulas are related to given question. If it is based on the formula, just you apply and solve, otherwise you follow the any other methods. Okay, now we will go to next question. Let f be a polynomial, then the second derivative of f of e power x. Okay, let us consider this only. The given function is what? They are given y is equal to f of e power x. Okay, otherwise you take directly this only, f of e power x. Let's consider this as a one function. Okay, now differentiate this one. After differentiation, f of e power x differentiation is what? F dash of e power x. Okay, they are asking the second derivative they are asking. Okay, second derivative means this is the first derivative. Another time you differentiate. While differentiating another time, here f dash of e power x is there. Okay, okay. Again here into e power x differentiation is what? E power x. Y dash is equal to. Okay. No need to take this one. Directly you differentiate the given question only. Okay. F of e power x differentiation is what? F dash of e power x into e power x differentiation is e power x. Okay, again here second order derivative they are asking. Let's consider this as a one function and this as a another function. By applying here u into v method, keeping first function f dash of e power x as it is, differentiation of the second function is what? E power x differentiation is e power x plus keeping second function e power x as it is, differentiation of the first function. What is that? F dash of x differentiation is f double dash of e power x into e power x differentiation is e power x. Okay, now just you interchange the given answer, then you will get the option only. F double dash of e power x is there here. Okay, e power x into e power x is what? E power 2x. Okay, plus f dash of e power x into e power x, f dash of e power x into e power x. So which option is the right answer? Option 4 is the right answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now see the next question. Y is equal to tan inverse of log e by x square divided by log e into x square. You know by property of logarithms, log a by b is what? Log a into b is what? Okay. Y is equal to tan inverse of log a by is what? I will write this as log e minus log x square divided by log e plus log x square plus, okay, tan inverse of, see here, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, one formula is see here, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, using this formula, okay, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Y is what here? Log x square. Okay, bring this 2 to here. Log x square divided by 1 minus xy. X is 3. This 6 how to write? 3 to the 6. Okay, xy form you are going to write here. After writing these steps, directly see here what you will get. I will write this as tan inverse of 3 minus tan inverse of log x square. Why? Because tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Sorry, here plus you will get. This is what tan inverse of log e is 1. So directly I will take this as log 1 minus tan inverse of log x square we can write, plus tan inverse of 3 plus tan inverse of log x square. Okay, which term gets cancelled? Tan inverse of log x square plus tan inverse of log x square gets cancelled. What remains? Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 3 remains. Okay, these are the constant terms only. They are asking d square y by dx square, second order derivative they are asking. Okay, so after differentiation of constant is what? 0. You will get double differentiation is also what? 0. Okay, now which option is the right answer? First option is the right answer. Okay, we will go to next question. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. F of phi is given and f dash of 0 is given, that is 3. They are asking to calculate f dash of phi is what? Okay, now here let us put y is equal to phi. Just you substitute y is equal to phi. What you will get? See here, f of x plus phi is equal to f of x into f of phi. Okay, why? Because the given data f of phi is given. Now we are going to use here. Okay, so f of phi what they are given, that is 1. F of x into 1 is f of x. So f of x plus phi is equal to, we got f of x. Differentiate this one. What you will get? See here, f dash of x plus phi is equal to f dash of x we got. They are asking to calculate what is f dash of phi they are asking. Okay, so let us substitute in the place of x as 0. Put x is equal to 0, you will get the answer. F dash of phi is equal to, f dash of phi is equal to f dash of 0. So f dash of 0 that is given, that is 3. F dash of phi is equal to what we got? 3. Which option is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer, that is 3. Okay. Now see the next question. If y is equal to 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube, this is the expansion of what it is? Y is equal to e power minus x. Okay, y is e power minus x, we are going to write as what? 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus up to so on. Okay, now what they are asking, second order derivative of this given function is what they are asking. Differentiate this one. Y dash is equal to what you will get? E power minus x into minus x, differentiation is minus 1. One more time you differentiation, y double dash is equal to minus keeping as it is, e power minus x differentiation is again e power minus x into minus 1. So what you will get? E power minus x. E power minus x what it is? Already we have taken that as what? Y. So which is the answer? Third option is the right answer, that is y. Okay. Now these are the questions, previously asked questions only. Remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.